Hello students, welcome to the introduction of chapter 1 on equality. Let us start with a brief introduction from last year chapter government. First question is, what is government? It is important that everyone lives in a country, state or city has to follow rules and regulation. Who forms these rules? These are formed by the government. The people who make or administrate these rules and make sure everyone follows it are the people who form government. The government can include one or many members depending upon the type of government, which we will see in coming slides. So now we know well what government is. Let us move to different forms of government like democratic government, monarchy, dictatorship, transactional, and anarchy. These are the major forms of government. Let us learn in detail about them. First, democratic form of government. It is a government that is formed by the people through election and choose the candidates who will govern the country or state. India and United States of America are the examples where democratic governments are formed through elections by voting from all the citizens. In monarchy form of government, only one person, either a king or queen, rules the entire nation or state. They have the ultimate power to make rules and citizens follow those rules. The royal leader can be the son of the king and the rule can be strictly hereditary. But most important thing is there is only one ruler, king or queen. Monarchy is followed in countries like Oman. In a dictatorship form of government, a single leader is elected to form the government. This is different to monarchy, where only the king or queen rules and the leadership is transferred from one king to kids and so on. Here, the dictator is elected by people and he or she maintains the full control of the people. Few countries who follow dictatorship are North Korea and Myanmar. When a government keeps moving from one form to another, it is known as transitional form of government. It is important to note that the countries with transitional governments are often unstable. Some examples are Afghanistan and Iraq. When there are no governments or authorities to rule the country, the form of government is known as anarchy. As there is no leader to keep rules and regulation, so there are much confusions. There are no countries with anarchy type of government at present in the world. The important duties of government are maintain equality of all the citizens of the country, provide security and keep the law and order in country, take care of citizens and introduce educational system and welfare services. Talking about Indian government, we have a democratic type of government and all the citizens take part to form the government by casting votes and each and every person has equality to vote and can fight for their justice. So the Indian government is rightly for the people, by the people, of the people, which is defined by the President of America named Abraham Lincoln. We elect the leaders of our government for our safety and they make sure all the citizens are treated equally. For our country India, all the adults, irrespective of their religion, education, caste or rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This is called as universal adult franchise. It is a very important aspect of democracy and is majority based on idea of equality for all the citizens. Here is an example to understand about the different people with equal rights to vote. As shown below, everyone here is waiting in line to vote: a teacher, trader, student, worker, housewife, and all of them are standing in a line and are treated equally. They are all given right to vote for the candidate they think is correct and will fulfill their dreams and help them to get all the daily requirements. So, the Indian democratic government treats everyone equally. All men or women from all castes, religious, tribes, educational, and economic backgrounds are recognized as equal. Even in our constitutions, 6 fundamental rights are given which give equal status or respect to each citizen. Hope you have understood the importance of equality in formation of a government. This is adult franchise is only one aspect of democracy. We will learn other aspects of democracy in the next session. Here are given some questions which you will answer in your regular notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.